Hi friends, baby tools for you, showing you how to remove your harness and wash your wonderfold wagon seat. The first thing you want to do is open the Velcro flap that is behind the seat, access the harness, and push it through the white seat support. This can be kind of tricky at first, but once you do it a few times, it's very simple. So you just want to keep removing the harness until it is completely out of the white seat support that is under the flap. Once you have the harness removed, the seat support will slide right out. And then you want to repeat this process on the bottom. It's fairly simple. Same thing. Just go under the Velcro flap, push the harness through, and then pull out the white seat support. Make sure that you're storing your harness parts in somewhere where you're not going to lose them or have your kids misplace them while you are washing your seat. As you can see here, it is completely taken apart. The seat supports are like a laminated cardboard, and there's a steel bar under the bum. And you can wash it either in the sink by hand, or I throw it in the washer under the delicate cycle. So putting it together, you just reverse the order as you did to take it apart. So you put in the seat support, put in the steel bar under the bum, then you add the harness to the slots. Putting the harness back in is fairly easy. I think it's easier than taking it apart. You just slide them right through the slots, and then you have your hand on the back to pull them through. And then what I do is I just do a once over to make sure everything went where it was supposed to go. I Velcro the flaps back together. I just wanted to add a picture of the Velcro flaps. And then also on the back of the seat there are pockets which I store my crotch pad in. My kids don't like it, so then I don't lose it.